welcome to my channel luisitabakes. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this delicious and easy lemon blueberry cake with a cream cheese frosting. So let's get started. The first step is to add 3 tablespoons of butter into a big mixing bowl. Combine it with 1 1/4 cups of sugar, 3/4 cup of vegetable oil, the flavoring vanilla, lemon extract, and lemon juice, and the eggs. We're gonna mix this for about 4 minutes until it's all smooth. The next step is to add the dry ingredients. Let's add 3 2/3 cup of cake flour and 1 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of lemon zest for the extra flavor. While this is mixing, we're gonna add 1 1/4 cup of buttermilk. Now this is our batter. In a different bowl, add fresh blueberries and mix it with 1/4 cup of flour until it's all coated. Divide the batter into 4 cake pans that are greased and lined with parchment paper, and add some blueberries on top. Bake it for about 20 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. After baking, let the cake come to room temperature. Then we're gonna start decorating the cake with adding cream cheese frosting onto the layers. Repeat covering the cake with frosting for all the layers. Now let's give the cake a nice cover. I always make a crumb coat, which is a thin layer of frosting. Then I place it in the freezer for about 10 minutes and add a second layer of frosting. For this cake, I used a 6B piping tip and just piled some nice dollops on top of the cake. Then add some fresh blueberries on each dollop and sprinkle some fresh lemon zest in the middle of the cake. I would recommend to chill the cake for at least half an hour before cutting the cake so that the cake is nice and cold. And that's it. This is my easy lemon blueberry cake with cream cheese frosting. I hope you like it. Give me a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Now let's make the cream cheese frosting. For that we need 1 package of cream cheese at room temperature. We're gonna mix it for about 2 minutes until it gets all smooth. Then add 1 cup of butter and vanilla and all the lemon flavoring, extract, and lemon zest. Mix it until it's nice and fluffy. Now we're gonna add 4 cups of powdered sugar in small batches and mix it in until it has a smooth consistency. For an even richer lemon flavor, feel free to add some lemon juice at the end. And that's it. This is my easy cream cheese frosting recipe. Enjoy!